Sorry for the mess. I was working on a different project and this just showed up in the mail. So I'm very, very excited to open it. This is going to be Vaultbox Prime. It's Vaultbox's first collaboration with PCGS, and I'm excited to get into this box. The Vaultbox Prime sold out in about 2 minutes. My wife and I both tried to get in on the auction or on the sale, but she logged in about a minute after me and did not get in. I was in there 20 minutes before they opened up and got 2 boxes. She was not able to get any. So hopefully we get some of these red cores. They have coins in here that are valued. If you can hit one, I think the highest priced one is like a $2.50 gold piece that they have an immediate buyback price at $31,000. But of course, you probably wouldn't sell it back because it's probably gonna be worth more than that. So, all right, let's go ahead and crack both of these. Like I said, I apologize for the mess. It's a different project. If you want to see that, subscribe to the channel. All right, let's get in here. Now, if you're not familiar with Vaultbox, they sell slabbed coins in like these mystery boxes. Oh, here you go. Chase that gold. 1904, $2.50. Proof 67 cameo is the big hit in these boxes. They were with NGC, but now they just switched over to PCGS. They had this weird system with NGC that the graded coins were on a different scale, like a 1 through 10, so people weren't really digging them. But now they're with PCGS, and this is going to be the winner. Now these boxes were $829 a piece, and like I said before, they sold out in about 2 minutes. I think they sold about 750 boxes, but we were lucky enough to get 2. Now, one's my wife's Christmas present, but she's getting it open because I can't wait that long to get it. So let's get in here and see what we get. We're looking for the red core slabs. Those are going to be the ones that are higher value. Now, a lot of them come with an instant buyback price. I've never gotten one of these before, but it's basically like a $850 scratcher ticket to see if you can get the one of the good coins. So wish me luck. First $850 box. Oh, it is sealed again. I can't wait. I gotta leave to work like 10 minutes ago. All right. Here we go. Vaultbox number 1. This is actually pretty good packaging. So the other ones I've seen have are in plastic sleeves. Oh, another thing we gotta cut. All right, slab number 1. Here we go. Are we rich? Vaultbox Prime. Underneath we have black slabs. Not too great. Oh, there's actually a coin I wanted though. Cool. Super cool. All right, so this is a 2024 Kingston Black Flag. Antique finish first strike black flag. So this black flag series I was actually looking to put together. This is the Kingston. This is the most recent coin of black flag series. So not one I have yet, but I was actually going to a coin show in a couple weeks, and this is a coin I was going to pick up, not necessarily antiqued, but I'm happy with that. I mean, I guess we have to, with $850 a box, we have to get like $275 coins. I'm not sure if this is $275, but PCGS MS70, I'm happy with that. Not the big hit I wanted, but we'll take it. All right. Let's get into box number 2. If we can get it open. Oh, trying to cut from the wrong side. All right, here we go. Slab number 2. Oh, guess we got revealed right away. That is a Standing Liberty 1928. Oh, it's a quarter. Standing Liberty quarter, 1928. It's got some decent detail to it. I think the back looks better than the front, but an AU 55. I would say not the most exciting hit. Not a red core for sure, but let's keep going. All right. Number 3. Let's see what we got. Looking for that red core for the big hit. Nope, another black. All right, what do we... Is that the same thing? This one looks like it's in a little better shape than the last one. Another Standing Liberty quarter. This is 1923 MS62, so we were right on the grade. It is a better grade, but not exactly a big hit. Good looking coin, like the holder. PCGS, we'll take it. All right, next box. Let's see if we can get into it. Still looking for our red core. I don't think we hit our $829 worth of value yet, but we're only halfway. Like I said, if you're interested in coins or silver stacking or gold stacking, subscribe to the channel. We got a bunch of fun stuff coming up. A couple of coin shows in the next month or so. So keep your eyes out. But for now, let's just hit one of these bad boys. 1904 gold 250 PCGS proof cam. The number 2 W Silver Eagle I probably wouldn't be too excited about. It's probably worth money. I'll take a gold Bronco 1908. I love pre-33 gold, so let's go for a Chase major hit in this box. Like I said, the high value coins are going to be in a different holder than the ones we've seen. They're gonna be, it's gonna have a red color to it. If you're interested, you have to get on the website early. Like we logged in about 20 minutes early, and like I said, I got in, and I think there was like 400 and some of the people in front of me, and I was in line for 20 minutes, and when we got in, they limited it to 2, so I was able to get 2, but my wife, who signed in about a minute after me, did not get 1. So we're going to go ahead and give her that first box for Christmas. This is gonna be our box. Let's see what we can get. All right, so this is box number 4 of 6, not a black one. We got like another silver coin. Oh, okay. Looks like a 2024. So those restrike peace dollars. It is a PCGS 2024S proof decam peace dollar first strike from Vaultbox. Okay, so that's actually a cool coin. This one might be worth a third of the box. Like, I haven't bought any of these yet, but I'm happy to have one. Good looking coin. Let's keep on going. I think my favorite so far is this one. Let's beat it. Box number 5 of 6. All right. Vaultbox Prime. Another black core. What is this? I have no idea what coin this is. Let's check it out. So I'm guessing there's a dragon 2024. On the back we have Australia Year of the Dragon Vaultbox. PCGS MS70. I'm guessing we did not make our money back on this one, but you got Liz on the back. Cool looking dragon on the front. All right, last box, here we go. Looking for one of those red cores, make us rich. All right, is it gonna be red? Not red. All right, oh. What is that? So we got a PCGS 1873 proof 65 3-cent piece. So that's actually a cool coin. I don't know if it makes our money back, but it does definitely have a lot of value. I'll have to look this one up, or you can look it up and let me know in the comments how much you think this is worth. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting any cent pieces in this box, but overall, I think we're gonna be happy when we look this up. A proof 3-cent piece from 1863. All right. Anyhow, this is our first look at the Vaultbox Prime. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. Keep on collecting.